vlog. How do I start this? Okay, so hi guys, it's Nelly here. I'm starting a vlog and I'm trying to create a cooking content, but I don't know how am I gonna start it. Let me show you my vlogging setup. So that's my vlogging setup. So I got the A6400 and a microphone. Oh, that's weird. Well, I guess this is a raw vlog. Um, but yeah, I have a friend that told me to create a raw vlog. He introduced me to listen to Gary V. Not Gary Valenciano, but Gary V from New York. He's an entrepreneur. He's really good. He's good motivator. I'm learning a lot from him since listening to him this week. But yeah, thank you to JP, John Paul, for introducing him to me. And from then I just start posting video. And I know you can see this camera right here. I'm gonna use that as my second camera. That's my old Nikon B500. And I have my ingredients there, so we're gonna go there now. So for today, I'm gonna cook Jollibee spaghetti. Well, it's not really Jollibee spaghetti, but I think it's better than Jollibee. But anyway, this is my ingredients for making Filipino spaghetti. So I got sweet Filipino style spaghetti sauce here, UFC ketchup. All Filipino knows about this. So UFC is a sweet ketchup, not like Heinz. Heinz is it's sour sweet kind of ketchup. Spaghetti pasta here, and I also got a chicken hot dog, and of course onion, red bell pepper, and ham. Like I said, we got the chicken hot dog, ham, which is pork, and where is my kidney looking? And I got ground beef. So we're gonna use all kind of meat for this spaghetti. So chicken, pork, and beef. So yeah, let's cook. So first we need hot water for our pasta. So while we're heating up the hot water, we can chop all this and then saute it. First we will start with onion. I'm not really gonna cut the whole thing. I'm just gonna cut top and bottom. Peel it up into large dice and then put it on a food processor. I like putting this in food processor because you get the juice of the bell pepper, and that's gonna taste good. Bell pepper is not really spicy, so there's actually some sweetness in it, and that will add the sweetness for our Filipino style spaghetti. Okay, just cut the ham on slices first, and then we're gonna dice it. Hot dog, we're gonna cut it into slices too. So while waiting for pasta, we're gonna saute our onion, hot dogs, ham, and also the ground beef. But first, let's turn on this exhaust so it doesn't smell too much. So I added the ground beef together with the onion. Gonna put it in medium. So now we can add the hot dog and ham. Yeah, just let it cook. Probably take another 5 to 10 minutes. And then we can add our sauce. Oops. So I'm just gonna add salt and pepper on our meat. So just add a little bit more taste to it. You know what? Let's do that in slow-mo. Now that our pasta is done, I'm gonna put it on here and rinse it with cold water. So now we're gonna transfer this. We're gonna transfer our meat to a bigger pot so we can add the sauce. So I added more water in the bottle to get the whole thing. So there's gonna be some left over if you don't. Mix it. Mix bell pepper. And that's it. Just let it cook for another maybe 10 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes. So now I'm just gonna let our sauce to cook and then we're gonna plate it. So bad news. I don't have any cheese. But since I'm picking up my wife soon, I'm just gonna get some cheese. This is not gonna be perfect without cheese. And my wife loves cheese. So it's 6:10 right now. I'm gonna leave the house around 6:30. I'm just gonna get ready, and I think my wife will be on the station around 6:56. She said 6:56 in Cooksville Station. So we gotta get ready. Alright guys, I'm ready to go. We're still gonna do some plating. I'm still gonna buy cheese and pick up the wife. So, see you guys later.
Later that same evening.
Hi guys, we're back. I mean, I'm back, but with the wife now.
I'm home.
And we got the cheese. We can finally plate the spaghetti. So we're gonna plate the spaghetti now. We're using my wife's pink plate.
Pink plate by Pink
So if you
plate
want-
from Yana and Daryl.
So if you want to make a height on your pasta, just roll it like that. Go in the middle, make it fancy. Same thing with this. Just like that. and then we'll put the sauce on top. You know what? I want to do this in slow-mo. Babs,
Yes.
can you take a video of me
Sure.
in slow motion?
Hawakan ko lang.
And that's our Jollibee / Filipino style spaghetti. So this is for me, since it's more. This is for wifey. And let's
Happy
go.
wife, happy life.
And let's go eat. Alright guys, so we're gonna eat now. This is the end of the vlog. Hope to see you in the next vlog. Because wife is so hungry now. Look at her. She can't wait to eat it.
This is my favorite spaghetti ever.
Yeah, and actually this is the first dish that I've learned from my parents. I think I remember my mom telling me that her best friend actually taught her how to make this. I think this is her original recipe, but it's actually better than Jollibee. You gotta try this dish, or you gotta try this recipe and make it on your own. And you'll see, it's pretty good. Again, that's pretty much it for this vlog, and I hope to see you in the next vlog. Thank you.